I'm TV6 meteorologist Eric DeBroca, and here's a look at your latest weather on demand. Well, these are our high temperatures for Saturday. 59 in Manistee, 60s though across the Banana Belt in Escanaba. How about 71 from Iron Mountain? And believe it or not, off to the east here, 67 degrees was our high temperature off in Newberry. And we did have that lake breeze developing, especially for those communities right along Lake Superior. That's why it was only 52 from Munising, but we did make it to 61 from Marquette and 58 in Ironwood because of that wind. And even at this hour, you can see that the wind's still controlling our temperatures and really have done so the past several days. That will still be the same thing on Sunday as well, as we're going to have lake breezes in effect. But right now down to 9 miles an hour from Sawyer. Everybody else less than 10. The exception there is Manistee at 10 off to the northeast. And then also in Iron Mountain there at 7, but nothing too much to speak about. Notice there's a lot of clear skies where, especially in the central, you're not going to see any cloud cover. You have to go farther west where this is just not reaching the ground. The air is too dry, as we have dew points in the upper 20s, even to near 30 degrees, which that's why we're concerned about fire danger for another day. But then we're going to switch around our pattern here and at least get us some rain come the middle of the week. But for now, we are high and dry, as high pressure does exactly have a firm grip over our weather system. Notice the rain showers off to our east in Ontario there, and also downstate heading over Lake Huron and also Lake Erie as well. But off to our west, where our weather is going to be coming from, clear skies and beautiful temperatures, as a matter of fact, in store for Mother's Day. Now, these are our current readings. We are a little bit chilly thanks to the light lake breezes, the 46 from Sawyer. This is a picture that we're very similar with, at least we've become familiar with. Last weekend, we saw quite the disparity in temperatures from Sawyer to, say, Bismarck, where it was 39 here and 89 there. So 50 degree difference just a couple of states away. But right now, 76 from the Twin Cities and still in the 80s there. But I want to show you this map as well, because this is going to be a little bit different from what we saw last weekend. Last weekend, we had a dome of high pressure really well into Canada, and was known as the Omega Block, but that broke down before it had a chance to move eastward. That's going to change, though. At least we're going to tap in on a little bit of this warmth heading into next week. And so finally, as notice the low pressure system's a little bit farther up to the north, and that's going to allow the jet stream to buckle finally for our area, and that means warmer temperatures for the 6-day forecast. For Mother's Day, though, we're talking about sunny skies, so grab the sunglasses and also just a very light jacket to start the day, but really you won't need those. You can ditch the coats later on because winds will change from the south as very mild conditions dominate the area here thanks to an area of low pressure moving in from the west. So rain off to the west, but that's going to allow our temperatures to flip-flop and finally get into some real warm weather, especially inland. Upper 60s, even near 70, not out of the question there. Coolest readings, though, will be Keweenaw Peninsula and areas right along the immediate lakeshore, mid-50s, but still another beautiful looking day for us on Sunday. Now, your TV 6-day forecast features a couple of 70-degree days. How about that here for the middle of May? We will see the clouds increase midday Monday and slight chance of showers, especially in the west Monday afternoon, but otherwise temperatures mid to upper 60s. Tuesday 70, winds are out of the south, but we do run the risk of rain showers, particularly in the morning. Breaks in the daytime on Tuesday afternoon. Same thing on Wednesday, though, but only this time it comes with the passage of a cold front. So we'll see our temperatures even, I'd say, mid-70s south. Then those will tumble into the 60s and then eventually 50s. So for Thursday, just some morning leftover showers as temperatures climb back to a little bit closer to average. But a nice looking weekend in store come next weekend.